Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best touchscreen monitors for the market for this year. First we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a touchscreen monitor. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Acer T232HL. The Acer T232HL is the best touchscreen monitor on the market today. It's exceptionally well built with a sturdy stand which prevents the monitor from moving around in use. The edgeless bezel, while a little ugly, means that you never bang your hands against the desk while using the touchscreen. This was an issue with many of the small bezel monitors that we tested. The touchscreen itself works perfectly and the image quality is up there with the best HD monitors. The only area that the Acer T232HL struggles with is color accuracy, which means that it's not ideal for photo editing or watching movies. The Acer T232HL is the best touchscreen monitor for practical purposes. It's comfortable to use, well built, and easy to use. We'll put up with an ugly bezel if it's the price that we have to pay. Number 4. Dell P2418HT 23.8-inch touch monitor. Dell's 23.8-inch touchscreen monitor comes with a stand that is adjustable for many more convenient uses. You can make changes until the angle of the monitor meets your specific needs. The sleek design is rather attractive as well and adds to the overall desirability of the monitor. It's a full HD screen, and the color accuracy and impressive brightness prove this. You'll find that the picture quality is very good. Dell's unique Easy Arrange feature means your productivity will never suffer. If you're prone to jumping between tabs and windows, you'll find this feature to be very helpful and convenient. Thanks to a wide viewing angle, you'll get to enjoy more of the crisp and clear display. The monitor's responsiveness is also something that makes it a favorite. It's a very high in response. It also comes with an anti-glare protection because of the matte finish Dell added. Number 3. Acer UT241Y 23.8-inch Full HD touchscreen monitor. You'll find that the stand this monitor makes use of won't let you down. It's solid and heavy. It's actually a very portable monitor that's overall lightweight. With that said, it is a durable unit that won't break after just 1 or 2 uses. You'll notice that the monitor's responsiveness is accurate. In addition, the monitor is made to protect your eyes and make viewing easier thanks to its no glare feature. This also means the screen can be viewed and text read from many different angles. The monitor has many connectivity ports that add to its convenience. Besides, it comes with a dual-hinge tiltable stand, which allows you to adjust it according to your needs. The stand also folds flat to allow you to let the monitor lie flat on your desk. There's also less glare experience because of a plastic screen is used instead of fragile glass. Number 2. Planar Helium PCT2235. The Planar Helium PCT2235 has a strange look about it, as if someone stole the base from a standard monitor and just left the display propped up on a desk. The bottom bezel of the screen rests on your work surface. Like most touchscreen monitors, the Planar Helium PCT2235 has an adjustable A-frame stand that can also be folded away to let the monitor lie flat on your desk. The tilt range of the Planar Helium PCT2235 is an impressive 55 degrees though, which means it's easier to adjust the screen to a comfortable position. At 24 inches and 7.9 pounds, it's a decent-sized monitor that won't take much effort to set up or move between rooms if needed. At the same time, it's a good-sized screen that won't take up too much desk space. 24 inches is basically the Goldilocks zone for monitors. ViewSonic TD2230. The perfect touchscreen monitor for space-conscious consumers, the 21.5-inch ViewSonic TD2230 offers a great image quality in a compact design. With a compact form factor and relatively light weight of just 7.9 ounces, it's portable too, which is great if you need to move the monitor around a lot. Sadly, the ViewSonic TD2230 is let down by some odd design choices. For one thing, the connection ports are located on the side of the monitor, which means you can end up with cables sticking out the side of your screen, which is a nightmare for cable management aficionados. It can also be a little uncomfortable to use, which is a huge issue if you need to use the touchscreen for extended periods of time. If you need a touchscreen monitor and don't have enough space for one of the chunkier models, the ViewSonic TD2230 offers everything you need in a tiny package. Now that we showed you the best touchscreen monitors, let's talk about a few things you should look before buying one. Number 1. Touch surface. When touchscreen monitors first became available, most couldn't handle more than 1 or 2 points of touch, and most of them were difficult to use. Now, many have 10-point multi-touch screens, which means they can register up to 10 simultaneous touches at a time, making a variety of tasks much easier. Touchscreen monitors with glass surfaces are the best because they're the most durable and comfortable to use. They also more closely mimic the shiny, glossy screens we're accustomed to on smartphones and tablets. The only downside to a glass touchscreen is its reflective surface. It's a bit distracting to see yourself and your surroundings reflected in the screen when you sit down to work. These highly reflective surfaces can also cause eye strain. Some of the monitors we looked at have matte surfaces, which eliminates glare but is not as smooth. Number 2. Ergonomics. We recommend looking for a monitor with an A-frame stand and wide tilt range. These features make touchscreen displays easier to use all day long, as well as easier to adjust from one position to another.